Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is the second smallest planet in our solar system, coming after Mercury. Its name originates from the Roman god associated with war. Due to the abundance of iron oxide on its surface, Mars is often called the red planet because of its reddish hue. Similar to both the Moon's impact craters and Earth's volcanoes, valleys, deserts, and polar ice caps, Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere. Its rotational period and seasonal cycles resemble those of Earth, with the tilt being responsible for the changing seasons. Mars boasts notable features such as Olympus Mons, the largest volcano and second largest mountain in our solar system, as well as Valles Marineris, one of the largest canyons in the solar system. Before the successful flyby of Mars by Mariner 4 in 1965, there was much speculation about the presence of liquid water on the planet's surface. This speculation was based on observed periodic variations in light and dark patches, particularly at the polar latitudes, which appeared reminiscent of seas and continents. Unmanned missions have gathered geological evidence suggesting that Mars once had significant water coverage on its surface during earlier stages of its existence.
Soot is a black substance that comes from burning different things. It absorbs a lot of heat, almost as much as CO2, which is known for causing warming. Soot is even more effective at warming than methane. What's interesting about soot and aerosols is that they don't stay in the atmosphere for a long time. If we can decrease the amount of soot, we can see changes in the climate within a few months instead of waiting for many years. This doesn't mean we should ignore CO2 and other greenhouse gases, but reducing soot can give us some time to implement the right strategies for reducing those gases.
The wind turbine is a device that converts wind into mechanical energy, which can be used to power various devices such as water pumps or electricity generators. The power generated by the turbine is dependent on several factors including wind speed, the number of sails, the area of the sails, and the angle of the sails in relation to the wind. If the blades of the turbine are flat onto the wind, it will not turn, but with a slight angle, the wind will turn the blades, which can be used to power devices. In this context, simple paper windmills can be made using household materials to drive small generators for electronic devices. Today, we will talk about how earthquakes are related to the cracks in the Earth's crust. These cracks in the crust can happen at different depths, from the surface of the Earth to several hundred kilometers down. The center point of the earthquake is called the epicenter, and it is located directly below the Earth's crust. The energy of the earthquake is released and spreads out from this epicenter. The cracks in the Earth's crust are known as faults. By looking at maps of these faults from the center of the Earth, we can figure out where the epicenters are located. As the seismic waves travel away from the epicenter, their strength decreases.
Certainly, there is significant interest in understanding the formation and persistence of clouds. The presence of particles is crucial for cloud droplets to form, as water condenses on these particles. However, the precise processes responsible for cloud formation had not been directly addressed until recently. Clouds observed over the ocean are often loaded with sea salt particles, as sea salt acts as an effective nucleator for cloud formation. As you move inland, pollution from various sources becomes a significant contributor to cloud formation, with different sources exhibiting varying effectiveness. Scientists are striving to unravel the sources that contribute to cloud formation. Clouds play a crucial role in climate change by reflecting light back into space, thereby keeping the Earth cooler. They also significantly impact regional weather patterns.